If you're an American trucker, there's one name you've probably heard of but never seen on your highways: Scania. And that's no accident. While you're hauling 80,000 pounds with a roaring Peterbilt or a Kenworth, European truckers are gliding through alpine roads with machines that feel more like fighter jets than freight trucks. Scania isn't just another truck brand. It's the Ferrari of long haulers. And guess what? They don't want you to have it. Wait. Are European truckers hiding Scania like it's the secret Krabby Patty formula? Today, we're diving into the real reasons why European truckers, and the industry at large, aren't too keen on sharing their prized Scania with the American market. Buckle up, because what you're about to learn will change the way you see your rig. From engineering that defies belief, to geopolitical trade dynamics, and even a few bruised egos, the story isn't just mechanical. It's personal. And by the end, you'll understand exactly why Scania is being kept just out of reach. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal a little-known industry move that might bring Scania stateside, and why some truckers are already worried. Puzzle Piece Segment 1. What makes Scania so special? Let's start with the elephant in the room. Why is Scania so revered? Scania trucks are known for three things. 1. Insane efficiency. Their inline-6 and V8 engines are tuned for maximum torque at low RPMs, giving them brutal pulling power with less fuel. 2. Driver-first design. The cabs feel more like cockpits. Adjustable air suspension, ergonomic dash layouts, 270 degrees visibility. You'd think they were designed by F1 engineers. 3. Modular build system. Scania custom builds trucks like Lego sets. Every part is tailored to a specific use case. No waste, no fluff. In Europe, Scania isn't just a truck. It's a status symbol, a badge of honor. It's the kind of machine that makes other drivers move over when they see you in the mirror. Meanwhile, in the US, you're lucky if your seat stops squeaking after mile 400. Prohibited Segment 2. Why isn't Scania in the US? Here's where things get political. Regulatory maze. The US has different emissions and safety standards. Bringing a Euro-optimized truck to the States means millions in re-engineering costs. Protectionism. Let's face it, American manufacturers don't want a tech-savvy, fuel-efficient beast eating their lunch. Brand loyalty. The US market is deeply loyal to Peterbilt, Kenworth, Freightliner. Scania would have to fight hard for market share. But here's the twist. They've deliberately held back. Why? Because in Europe, Scania is king, and bringing it to the US could dethrone it. The hidden fear: losing the edge. Imagine this. Scania enters the US, but the market demands lower prices, easier maintenance, and simplified specs. Suddenly, Scania has to cut corners, water down the brand, compromise. European truckers fear that the moment Scania goes global, it becomes just another name. Their elite badge of honor gets Americanized, mass-produced, made average. In other words, they don't want Scania to lose its soul. But what if I told you Scania is already testing the waters? Here's the part no one's talking about. Scania is part of the Traton Group, which also owns Navistar, the makers of international trucks. And recently, there's been serious cross-pollination between European and US engineering teams. Think that's just corporate fluff? Think again, because behind closed doors, Scania engineers have been sharing their powertrain technology. And the next generation of international trucks might just be wearing a Scania heart. That means Scania Torque, built for American roads. Euro-style cabs, tweaked for DOT compliance. Software-driven diagnostics, 10 years ahead of most US systems. So why aren't truckers excited? Because they've heard this story before. Volvo tried it. DEF dipped a toe. But none have brought the pure, unfiltered European experience across the pond. And that's the catch. If Scania does show up in the US, will it be the real Scania, or just a watered-down shadow of its former self? It's like importing French wine and mixing it with Sprite. Technically legal, but morally questionable. So now you know why European truckers are holding their breath. Because the moment Scania crosses the Atlantic, the trucking world could change forever, for better or worse. Would you trade your Peterbilt for a precision-engineered Swedish rig? Or do you think Scania is just overhyped Euro fanboy bait? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the trucking tech curve. Because next time, we're diving into the Volvo versus Freightliner debate, and trust me, it's spicier than you think.